Welcome back to Tech Titan Reviews. We're diving into one of the most anticipated devices of the year, the iPad Mini 7. For tech enthusiasts and Apple fans alike, this latest iteration of Apple's beloved tablet line promises a blend of power, portability, and performance. But before you rush to grab this device, let's discuss 4 surprising reasons why you might want to consider purchasing the iPad Mini 7. One of the most crucial aspects of any new tech release is its design. Consumers often look forward to innovative changes that signal a leap forward in technology. However, the iPad Mini 7 largely sticks to a design reminiscent of its predecessor, the iPad Mini 6. While the aluminum unibody construction is undeniably premium and durable, you might find yourself wishing for more visual innovation. The sleek and sophisticated design is appealing, but if you're someone who enjoys a fresh aesthetic with each new release, this could feel like a missed opportunity. When it comes to display technology, Apple consistently raises the bar, and the iPad Mini 7 is no exception. Featuring an 8.3-inch Liquid Retina display, this tablet offers superb color accuracy, brightness, and contrast. With a resolution of 2266 by 1488 pixels, your media will appear sharp and vibrant, enhancing your experience whether you're watching movies, playing games, or browsing the web. Let's talk performance. The iPad Mini 7 is powered by Apple's A16 Bionic chip, the same processor found in the high-end iPhone 14 Pro. This chipset delivers a remarkable boost in performance compared to its predecessors. From intense gaming sessions to demanding creative tasks like video editing and graphic design, the iPad Mini 7 can handle nearly anything you throw at it with ease. The iPad Mini 7 starts at 128 gigabytes, a welcome improvement from the 64 gigabytes that came standard with the iPad Mini 6. So, there you have it, 4 surprising reasons to consider before purchasing the iPad Mini 7. While it certainly offers powerful performance and an impressive display, its familiar design and the question of whether you need the enhanced storage might make you pause before committing to a purchase. For more in-depth reviews, tech comparisons, and the latest news on your favorite devices, don't forget to subscribe to Tech Titan Reviews. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.